I gave ChatGPT 5.1 and Gemini Pro 3 10 minutes to code me Clash Royale from scratch, and I wasn't allowed to do any manual coding. One made a good playable game, while the other one broke my browser, and you won't believe who failed. Let's get Claude to make us a prompt. Can you create me a prompt which I can put into ChatGPT and Gemini to get me the best version of an AI Clash Royale? Make sure I can play it right now and make it so it's playable in the browser. Make it HTML. Surf the web for any available clones right now and use them. Let's see what Claude spits us out though. I mean, last video you guys saw me flaming ChatGPT, so if it doesn't win this time, there is going to be an issue, bro. Like, genuinely, there's going to be an issue. We're going to be using Gemini 3.0 today and ChatGPT 5.1, so let's see what's happening. Okay, it looks like it's done now, so let's copy this prompt that Claude has given us. And let's start with Gemini. So we're going to paste it into Gemini. We're going to make sure we're on 3.0. Now, this prompt looks very detailed and extensive. Hopefully Gemini can give us something really good. And it's already started to examine the core mechanics. Like, I love Gemini so much. It doesn't give you false hope unlike ChatGPT. Okay, it seems like the code is done. So let's just copy it in. We'll go to our Visual Studio Code and... Okay, what's the name? What can we name it that won't get me copyrighted? Collision Monarchy.html. God knows why I've just named it, but hopefully it works. We've just posted the code in, we saved it. Let's go into our Collision Monarchy and open it with Brave. Okay, how to play. Objective: destroy the enemy tower or more towers than the opponent before time runs out. Okay, okay. With black. Is it meant to be black? I don't play Clash, so I don't know. So let's just take a screenshot of this and send to Gemini. Hey Gemini, what's wrong? Why the hell is it black? Question mark. Now that might be an error from something, but hopefully we can get it fixed. Let's see what Gemini's doing. Okay, it seems that the code is done. Hopefully Gemini's fixed whatever issue I had with this black screen. Just go back into Visual Studio Code. Okay, so lost lines. Maybe that was the issue. Let's save Collision Monarchy. Go back onto here and reload. Huh? Gemini. Oh wait. Oh what? Wait. It did something, but there's no king towers or princess towers. I'm confused. Gemini, we're making Gemini. What's happening? Okay, hopefully Gemini is Ultra free right now. Like, genuinely, I'm getting concerned because if Gemini can't win this challenge, everything I've said about ChatGPT, I'm gonna have to refute it, bro. That's not good. Okay, it seems like Gemini has just stopped coding, so hopefully, third time's the charm, Gemini can fix it. There's a bit more code this time, so let's try it out. I'm going to browser Royale. We've saved Collision Monarchy. Oh, it's fixed. Okay. Okay, do you guys think I can win? Hopefully I can win. So the elixir bar, even though it does look a bit trash, still works. We're gonna place a giant there. It's just a block. Some archers. Oh, hold on a minute. When I tried to like place it on the other side instead of my side of the bridge, it shakes the screen. I like that. Let's send some goblins in and hopefully we can. Oh, wait, wait, the AI is actually doing something to like fight it. And the game crashed. What happened to the game? Oh, so the game crashed. Okay guys, now we're on ChatGPT 5.1. As you can see, we're going to paste the exact same prompt that Claude gave us, and hopefully it runs something better than whatever nonsense Gemini was giving us. Gemini might have actually just lost this challenge. Now, ChatGPT is thinking. I hate it. Okay, I hate it. It just talks and gives you nonsense that I can code myself. So hopefully it doesn't do that this time, and it shuts me up and actually beats Gemini. Okay, after 1 minute and 55 seconds of me watching TikTok, it started to finally code. So it's much longer than Gemini in terms of starting to code time. But hopefully he thought well enough to allow me to actually get a functioning game, unlike whatever nonsense Gemini gave me. And it's seeming like a recurring pattern. Every video I'm just changing which AI is better. Like genuinely. Last week Gemini was amazing for Minecraft, and today it is trash. It's trash to make Clash Royale. So hopefully we can see what Clash Royale, whatever Clash Royale ChatGPT makes, and I am wishing and I am praying that it's better than whatever Gemini made me. ChatGPT is done. On a moment of truth, get this nonsense out of here. 12,000 lines. That is insane. Okay, let's go back to our collision monarchy HTML. Open with Brave, and already it doesn't have an error, and the game looks. Oh my god! Wait, whoa, 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 what's happening here then? Whoa, 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 whoa! Let's not do that. What's happening? Wait, this game's already much better than whatever we had before, bro. ChatGPT might have won this. Look, the AI is actually functioning as well. Hold on. Oh my gosh. What did I just use on them? Oh no, no, they might get one of my towers. Hold on. Wait, oh, my elixir's just hidden behind there though. It's getting difficult to see. So look, it's hidden, so I don't know how much elixir I actually have, which is a bit annoying. We'll try to get ChatGPT to fix that. But otherwise, it has smoked Gemini. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm not even good at Clash Royale. If I die to an AI, I'm actually the worst player of all time. Wait, no. Wait, I'm actually... No, wait, no. I might actually lose to AI. It's because the elixir, I can barely see it. Look, it goes up very slowly as well. We might have to get ChatGPT to change that. Let me put some archers there. What's that? Is that a fireball? Okay, hopefully if we get two, we can put some goblins. There you go, we got goblins. I don't know what he is though. What's that? Those goblins ate them up, bro. Oh my gosh. And then this guy's just going on his ones. Wait, no, this is actually difficult. Can I beat them in 1 minute 16? Do you think it goes to overtime? Should we try to get it to go overtime? Hopefully it does. I'm gonna try to get as much elixir as I can. Okay, maybe not. I don't know what that is. Well, that might be like a knight or something, I think. That might be a knight. It's tried to draw the icons of like the rarity of it. So I think gold is legendary. I think green is uncommon. White is basically grey, so common. Blue is, I think, what is that? That just like blows everything up. Now there's 38 seconds, and if I don't win this, it's gonna be an issue. Okay. No, no, no. I don't think I'm gonna win this. It might have to go to overtime, guys. Okay, that over there. Like, look at this timer thing. It looks really good. This is a bit of an issue because there's no rotational function. As in, like, it doesn't, you know, switch. Like, it doesn't rotate the cards, if you get what I'm trying to say. But that shouldn't be an issue for a great player like... Okay, it's going to beat me. The AI that I have coded is going to beat me. It's just back and forth this game. I don't think the damage is enough. I might let... Okay, I'm not going to let... Okay, it's OT. It's gone to OT. Okay, this is bad. Because I'm actually losing. Okay, I think that's going to be... Oh, no. Should we get a giant out? Let's get a giant out. Giant is slightly losing against those players. The giant is losing. Wait, never mind. It's good. I'm going to use that and eradicate them more. Do you think... I don't know what that is. I might have to use that on one of the opponents, you know? It does barely anything to them. Oh, and I've lost it. I think I might have lost the tower here. Yeah, I must have lost the tower here. Oh my god. It knows that it needs to drop so many players. It's dropping so many at once that even my own things can't beat them. Okay, let's beat them now. That was a bit of a... If I use this, I think they all get eradicated. Oh my gosh. That is a flaw in the game. So let's see what it does after OT. Draw. Okay, that's a draw. Okay. And now look at this coding. Gemini only did like 400, maybe 500 words of code. Lines of code, sorry. And, bro, ChatGPT has genuinely made 1,000 lines of code. Fully working, by the way. First try. It did it in its first try. That is actually amazing. So, guys, clearly ChatGPT won this challenge. I guess the game is so much better than whatever this shit Gemini made, bro. I was... So, guys, to wrap up... So guys, clearly, even though ChatGPT spent 5 minutes making the game, made a fully functioning version of the game, which is quite surprising considering how much slander I've said against this name. Whereas Gemini, oh my gosh, don't even get me started. This is one of the worst things I've ever had. ChatGPT completed the game in one coding increment. Whereas Gemini, bro, I gave it 3 chances and all 3 of them there was just an issue that you couldn't fix. So clearly today's winner is ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Clearly ChatGPT was the sole winner. Gemini, it cannot code for shit. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.